Today, I'm going to show you how to effectively cleanse your liver in just 3 days. I've tried every liver cleanse out there, but this one is unlike any others I've experienced. Many cleanses have made me sick starting them and ending up bedridden for weeks. But the cleanse I'll share today is a completely different approach. From the typical apple cider vinegar, lemon drinks, or ginger teas I often talk about in other videos, those are helpful, but they don't compare to the results I'm about to reveal. So, how exactly does your liver detoxify the body? What are the most powerful methods to accelerate this process? Your liver is responsible for clearing out toxins and chemicals. Think medications, food additives, alcohol, and more. It also cleans up dead cells, waste, and pathogens like microbes, bacteria, viruses, and fungi. If you've studied biology, you know that inside every cell is a structure called a lysosome. Think of it as the cell's incinerator or garbage disposal. The lysosome breaks down waste, recycles dead cells, and destroys pathogens. This entire process is called autophagy, where your body essentially eats some of its own tissue. To regenerate itself, let's explore the 7 key triggers that activate autophagy. Certain plant compounds have a mild effect on initiating autophagy. Crucius vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and arugula help the process. Kale and leafy greens blended into shakes or eaten raw. They support detox. Bok choy and cabbage, including fermented forms like sauerkraut, which is rich in beneficial bacteria. Meat and amino acids. Meat provides amino acids like glutamine, which boost antioxidants like glutathione, essential for fighting free radicals. Exercise, physical activity stimulates autophagy and helps detoxify the body. Sleep and calorie restriction both promote cellular cleanup during rest. Most powerful method I've found is dry fasting, completely abstaining from food and water for a short period, typically around 12 hours, from sunrise to sunset. I know what you might be thinking: can I really survive without water? Actually, yes. It's a myth that we only last 3 days without water. During dry fasting, your fat cells release water as they burn, making this process much more sustainable than you might believe. Why is dry fasting so effective? Because it triggers autophagy much more intensely, about 3 times more than water fasting alone. Plus, it's only for a day, so it's safe if done correctly. The benefits include a stronger immune system, less strain on your kidneys and liver, mental clarity, and reduced inflammation. You might even sleep better and extend your fasting window naturally. Now, let's talk about how your body processes toxins in the liver and kidneys. Enzymes in these organs work through multiple steps to break down poisons, chemicals, and waste into harmless substances. To support this, I recommend eating liver-cleansing foods, especially during your one meal at sunset. Should that meal look like? Focus onto main components, cruciferous vegetables, and quality meat. Examples include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, arugula, kale, or bok choy. For extra potency, incorporate broccoli sprouts. They're 20 to 50 times stronger than mature broccoli. You can blend kale into a shake or enjoy raw sauerkraut, which is fermented and probiotic rich. For the meat, choose options rich in amino acids, especially glutamine, which boosts your body's antioxidants like glutathione. Meat also supplies iron and B vitamins, both of which assist detoxification. When combined with dry fasting, this approach creates a powerful program to cleanse not just your liver and kidneys, but your entire body. How can you avoid detox reactions, like feeling sick or experiencing blockages? It's crucial to ensure your bile ducts are clear before starting. Sometimes, gallstones or sludge can cause issues during the cleanse. To prevent this, consider taking bio salts or a supplement like Tagga, which can help thin the bile. Consuming foods like beets can also support bile flow. If you've ever started a cleanse and experienced severe constipation or a stuck stone, I recommend using bio salts on an empty stomach. They can provide quick relief by helping to clear out sludge within hours. Finally, if you want to learn more about liver detoxification and how to optimize this process, I suggest watching this additional video right here.